All right, we're back on the desk with Francis Horodelski. We've talked fundamentals. You like to look at seasonality as well.
I do, and a lot of people poo-poo seasonality, and I'm going to show you a chart in a second, but there are some real fundamental reasons historically why you tend to see a slowdown in August and September. Some of it's money flows. Some of it's, especially in September, as analysts recalibrate their expectations, and companies recalibrate their expectations into September. You know, at the beginning of the year, everybody's optimistic. By the time September rolls around, you appreciate, we're not going to make it. And there's some historical relationships to farming and all kinds of other things as well.
The moon?
Well, the moon. Full moons are not good in my books,
That's
but
true.
I know you like moons.
Love a moon.
We will talk moons one other time.
Okay.
And sunspots, but in any event, we have a chart here that shows the seasonality of the four-year presidential cycle. And you can see the blue line is the history of that four-year cycle. I think this goes back to about 1950. So, you know, not forever. But you can see that blue line kind of flattens out. We get this big run-up in the third year of the presidential cycle from the beginning of the year to about the summer. And then we start to muck around a little bit. There are other charts that show we muck around through September, August, September, and October, and see an acceleration. And you can just see that acceleration on the far right of 2023.
So I remember people using this chart a lot at the beginning of the year. Of course, everybody is shell-shocked from the sell-off that we got in 2022 and said, okay, we got it. We're third-year presidential cycle. It's always up, right? Isn't that the indicator? That
Yes.
it's always
and
up.
And everybody said, this year, it won't happen.
Because there's never been a recession in the third year. And we were all so convinced that there was, for the first time, going to be a recession in the third year of a presidential cycle. And
it's not happened yet. It may happen. I know you have David Rosenberg on regularly. He is adamant that it will happen, and that, in fact, it could happen in December of this year or early in 2024. We will see. The market's never been that useful in predicting exactly when the recession will happen. Markets do look ahead. 2024 is going to be a tricky year. You have a funny, I don't even know what the description will be for the election in 2024.
Oh, God.
You have China.
Yeah.
We were just talking about deflationary or disinflationary trends in China, but one of the other issues is food inflation in that country with the flooding, and that's one of the real issues for the Chinese government. You might have other things falling out of bed, but if food inflation is rising, that's particularly difficult from a political standpoint. So you got to watch what's going on in China. Biden said today China's an economic ticking time bomb. So we've got those stresses there. In any event, that's 2024.
yeah, we can worry this year.
This year, given everything that has happened, we'll probably get a choppy August and September, maybe a little bit of chop still in October, and probably end the year stronger.
I didn't realize, so we're going to get a Fed decision in September, and they don't meet again till November.
Yes.
I don't know what we're going to do for that month and a half.
Well, from the middle of July until September,
That's true.
We do have Jackson Hole, I think, in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I think it's the 25th, thereabouts. So we do have some guidance.
And that's where we often get some.
Well, last year it was a mess.
Yeah, that's
and then
right.
we fell out of bed.
All right.